we're looking at this finger line. Look at all the fruits on this tree. Lots of fruit. There are lots of fruits here. Lots and lots of fruits. It's loaded. You see? Loaded. Fruits are just loaded on these trees. Okay. We can pick one and see what it looks like on the inside. See? It's really sour. Pretty good too. It's like fish egg, like a bit sour, pops in your mouth. So here's another tree. Look at this one. It's also loaded. You see? Loaded, loaded. Lots of fruits on it. The tree is loaded, but the other one is much more. Has more fruits on it. Okay. You see? The tree is totally loaded with fruits. Let's see how. Okay, probably more than 100 fruits in here on this tree, I would say. And then this is the orange tree. Looks like it's almost ready. Orange is almost ready. Maybe another month to go. So we're gonna go look at other veggies. So we're gonna pick some veggies today. So gonna make some bittermelon soup. So I will pick some bittermelon. I already made the pork rib soup. So this is sweet potato leaves, and they're really good for stir fry. So I just picked it this morning. So I'm gonna stir fry later for dinner. And then this is chayote. So it's gonna climb up all the way to the rooftop, and we'll produce some chayote. So here are the bitter melon vines. Okay, so there's a I guess they're in season now. It's July, mid-July, and lots of producing lots of fruits here. So I will pick some to make my bitter melon soup. There's some more over here. You see? Lots of it. These will have to get big like those two there. Then we can use them for stir fry with eggs, or I like to make it with spare rib soups. It's basically soups in soups. It's very good. So this is my first harvest of bitter melon for making soup. We're gonna go check out the loofah. So right there, those are the loofah vines. There are two different types of loofahs. round type and the angular. There's also beans here. There's a lot of ants. Okay, so we're gonna, this bean is ready. I'm gonna harvest this bean. Okay. There's some more beans there too. So right here are the loofahs. These are the angular types, and then these types here are the round type. So I will be harvesting the round type to make some stir fry. It'll be my first time, eating the round type. I never eaten the round type since I got to the US. So I'm gonna harvest the round type to make stir fry. See, it's filling up now. So there will be more loofah coming up next month or so. Lots of loofah. Some more flowers. So this one with flowers over there. And I'm gonna harvest these beans here. The beans are ready. And then I'm gonna cut. Oops. Okay. So I also already yesterday harvested this one. This is the angular type. See, comparison, angular and the round type. We're gonna go take a look at the apple tree. So let's check out the apple tree. The brownies enjoying the sun. And lots of fruits on this big apple tree. Zoe, Auntie's waiting for you to come pick them. Come pick the apple tree. Come pick out the apple, Zoe. Lots of apples. Big one too. See? Big one. Lots of it. Big one. Lots of apple. Big one. Lots of apple. It's loaded. This tree is loaded. Some more over here on this side. You see? It's loaded. See all this apple? Up there too. loaded, loaded. Lots of apple. Look at that. Look at that over the roof. Look at all those apples over the roof. Lots of apple. You see? You saw these apple? Chicken loves it too. Okay, so since while we're out here in the backyard, the nectarines are ready. We're just gonna go and, hey, what you doing? Honey, we'll go pick some nectarine. Okay. There's a lot of nectarines here. I guess I've been eating it too for the last week or so. Mmm. A bit soft. I like it when it's much more crunchy. So, a bit soft now. Or chicken. Too soft. Okay, this one is crunchy. This is much better. This one crunchy and sweet. Chicken been trying to eat them too. See? Chicken step on this pot and they try to pick them. This one is good. Crunchy. Okay.